I'm Preston with Epic Construction, and today we're going to talk about fence stain. Here we have a cedar fence that's recently been hit by hailstorm. Notice these pock marks throughout the fence. This has damaged the grain of the fence. When a fence is new, I always recommend doing an oil-based stain. It's going to have better penetration, it's going to give it a more natural look, and it's going to help the grain of the wood penetrate and show through the stain. In this instance, the fence was coated with a latex transparent stain, and you can see that it is peeling, and there's obvious pock marks, as I said. In this instance, we would power wash the fence, and we would recommend going back with a semi-opaque or a semi-solid stain. This is going to cover up the pock marks. It's going to allow the stain to adhere to the wood instead of penetrate it like an oil-based stain would, and give you better life in regards to the fence. The benefits of latex stain really is that it's got better UV protection, it coats the wood and prevents water penetration, and in this instance it's going to hide these pock marks. So if you look at the hardware here, you'll notice that this is covered in fence stain. And we're not here to talk bad about the previous installer, but attention to detail is really important. When we come through and stain a fence, we're going to mask off all your hardware after we power wash the fence. We're going to stain the fence and unmask it. That's just going to make the fence look a whole lot better. It's the correct way to do things. If it's been a while since you've had your fence stain and you're noticing that it's fading or possibly peeling, or maybe even you see some water damage, give us a call. We'd love to come out and take a look.